This fender well was ordered kind of late last Friday, and Wednesday morning it's arrived. I thought maybe they made it in 2 pieces or something, but all they did was kind of fold it and put it in there. It's quite flimsy, but I don't know why it won't work as long as all the holes line up. I must say it's really unbelievable. This big chunk of plastic that cost me $53.12 fit right in there. I had to make no adjustments, nothing. It fit. That is really cool. I'm at the top of my test hill, still burning this Kroll oil off. Going to be going that way to test this system out. This test is with the Banks brake and the overdrive override off, so it is in normal driving mode. These next 4 tests were done on the same hill, starting in the same exact location. I just let off the gas. The truck is picking up speed going into this turn up here. You have to hit the brakes to slow down. My foot is off the gas right now, and the truck is picking up speed. I'm just coasting. Just hit 50. And close to 55. I'm turning both switches on. That's the Banks brake, the overdrive override, and we'll do the same test. There's 45 miles per hour. The truck is not speeding up, but it's not slowing down. I'm not hitting my brakes. Now the truck is starting to slow down. Got to about 42, 43 miles an hour. This is with no load. I'm not pulling anything. At 35 miles an hour, I just heard it shut off the brake system. This time, I'm going to put it in tow haul mode using the shifter stock on the truck, like so. No Banks brake system. There's 40. The truck is accelerating. I'm putting my foot on the brake a little bit right now. There's my straightaway. Truck's accelerating a little bit more, a little bit more. Almost up to 50. One more time. Banks brake on, overdrive override on. I'm gonna get it up to 40 miles an hour. About 43 or 44. Truck's slowing down a little bit here. Try not to use my brake on this turn. while we have some dead time here, I must say I'm pretty impressed with the way this system is working. The true test will be when we hook the travel trailer up and have about 8,000 pounds behind the truck and see how it works going down hills. There's a flat ground test. I'm going 60, 62, let off the gas. 1 telephone pole, 2 telephone pole, 3 telephone pole, and I'm going 52. Here's the flat ground test. Going 62, let off 1 pole, 2 poles, 3 poles, I'm going about 40. Here's another flat ground test. I'm just going to get it up to speed. I let off the gas at 60. We're coasting. Turn this on. There's a significant difference.